All right, here's another exciting math video. Very exciting. And here's why it's so exciting. Ready? Hopefully this is going to work. Ooh, sound effects. That's a ding. Here's my other sound effects. Ready? Where is it? Ooh, what do you think of that one? Okay, I've got to get better ones. These are all Windows system wave files. That might not make any sense. Okay, here we go. Variable expressions. Evaluate multivariable expressions. You already know how to do this, except now we're doing it with two variables, two or more. Replace variables with parentheses. Plug in the numbers. Evaluate what you have after that. Here's our first one, right about there. Evaluate the expression. Let's bring it here. Evaluate the expression for k equals 2 and m equals 2. I'm going to write it. Bye-bye k. There are some parentheses. Bye-bye m. There are parentheses for the m. So I remove the variables, and I replace them with parentheses. Now, in the parentheses, I need to put k. K is 2. And in the other parentheses, I also need to put an m, and the m is also 2. And now I have to evaluate it. So let's evaluate this thing. Excuse me. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 2 gives me 6. And that's how it's done. Sound effect. Next one. Evaluate the expression for y equals 4 and z equals 4. So I'm taking the y out, I'm putting in parentheses. I'm taking the z out, putting in parentheses. I'm taking out the second z and putting in parentheses. Y, this is y. Y gets a 4. Z gets a 4. And z gets a 4. It's not that exciting since the values are the same. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus this 4 gives me 20. Sound effect! Evaluate the expression for x equals 3 and y equals 10, taking out the variables, plugging in the values. X is 3, y is 10, and now I'm going to evaluate. 3 times 10 is 30, plus 9, 39. Sound effect! And our final one. Evaluate for p equals 5 and q equals -8. I'm going to remove the variables. Going to plug in the values. So p is 5. P is 5. Q is -8. And now I will evaluate these. 5 squared is 25 plus 5 minus 8. So this is 30 minus 8, which is 22. And that is it. Oh, that wasn't a good one. Ooh, how about that one? Is that a good one? Okay, that's it for that video. I need better sound effects. I'll work on it, okay? Bye-bye.